All right, everyone. Not Too Dead here. Was just on Pick and Time Live. Opened this multiple times. So now I'm going to attempt to do it for a submission. Actually got it and everything. Show you that it's working. Put that in there. Set that. And it's the 200K. Set that right off to the side there. We'll leave the key here. All right. Well, let's get ready for this. First things first, we got to get our gear on. There it is. The Jimmy Long Southern Specialties Tensioner Z-Bar. Alright. Well, let's go ahead and gut this. Leave that right here on frame. Set that off to the side. Get my wrench, get my trays. Keep that right there. I've never gutted one of these either, so bear with me on that. This could be a utter catastrophe. Alright, here's all our other parts. Set that right there. Alright, so I'm guessing we start by popping this clip off. I should have probably watched some videos on this, but I've just been so excited. I wanted to come in and give it a try. I don't want to twist this the wrong way and have some kind of catastrophe going here. There we go. There's the C-clip. Alright, let's find the right follower for that. Assume it's going to be one of these guys. Maybe this one here. Alright, so let's see that line up on that. I said I'm probably doing this the wrong way. Or kind of the wrong way. Oh no, something does not feel right. that's why. There we go. Didn't quite have that follower in there right to begin with. Or this isn't quite the right follower. Alright, so definitely doing this the wrong way. Sorry, Paclock, for your beautiful product and my ignorance. I should have had this turned differently. Now I see what I did. I thought I had it lined up right from when I watched other videos. But it's coming along. Alright, so... oh dear Lord, there went another one. So that'll be fun to figure out how to put this all back together now that I've officially messed that all up. Oops. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and one of them went over here. There it is. Alright, so let's get a close-up look at this. Like I said, sorry for my ignorance. I thought I had it lined up right, but that happens. And we'll get you a close-up of the pins. So we had a couple spools, like a serrated barrel spool, another serrated barrel spool. Then we had a serrated key pin. And all the rest are standard key pins. And then unfortunately I goofed one of those springs up. Looks like all the springs are the same though. So there you have it. The Paclock 90A Pro. Picked and gutted. And submission for the 200A Club. Alright, now I gotta sort this out and get a new spring because I goofed that up. But thank you for watching, everyone. If you like this, please feel to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And stay tuned till the next one. Now I gotta handle this. There we go.